All right, so you want ChatGPT to analyze your financials. Subscribe for more financial data analysis using AI tools. And figure out your profit margins. Maybe you're running a business. Maybe you're just curious where your money's going. Now, let's break down how you can do this step by step. First things first, you need your numbers. Got a spreadsheet? Excel file. CSV, PDF. Upload it in the chat. Once uploaded, here's what ChatGPT can do. Number 1, calculate your gross profit margin. Gross margin is revenue minus direct costs, which is what's left after paying for the stuff you sold. Calculate your operating margin. Operating margin includes business expenses like rent and salaries. Calculate your net margin. Net margin is what's left after everything, taxes, and interest, the real bottom line. Number 2, spot trends over time. If your file has data for multiple months, analyze month-by-month changes. If it has years, analyze year by year. Highlight whether things are improving or dipping. Number 3, put together a summary table or even a chart. Want to see margins by product, by region, by time period? Organize the data so you can see where you're making the most and where you're losing out. Number 4, spot low margin areas. Maybe there's a product dragging profits down. Maybe there's a region dragging profits down. Point those out so you know where to cut costs or try something new. Quick prep. Include columns for date, revenue, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, taxes, and interest. Optional, add product, region, and channel columns for deeper breakdowns. If PDF, make sure it's text-based or upload the original spreadsheet. If your data has different currencies or taxes, mention it in your message. Sample prompt. Analyze gross, operating, and net margins by month and product. Flag any items with margin under 20%. Want visuals? Ask for a summary table and a line chart for margins by month. Prefer Excel back? Ask me to export results to ChatGPT or CSV. Also calculate break-even, contribution margin, and CAC payback if you add the inputs. Before uploading, remove any sensitive identifiers you don't need. You just need your financial file. Upload it. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or someone wanting control of their finances. Fast clarity on profit margins. If you've got your spreadsheet ready, just upload and let's get started. Have questions or want to dive deeper? Ask. I can help you understand your financial story. That's it. Simple, clear, actionable. Give it a try and see what insights you can uncover. Any information or help, please reach out. Thank you.